processing machine is usually equipped with both automated and semi-automated operation modes. Through precise mechanical devices and control systems, it can quickly produce high-quality metal sheets. The machine melts quickly, has no loss, is easy to operate and convenient to use, and occupies an area of less than 1 square meter. Put the materials in the crucible. Push into the casting bucket and fix it. Start the machine and adjust the power. Material melting. Precise temperature control, with a temperature difference of positive and negative 1 degree Celsius. The melting is complete and the casting begins. The casting is completed and the machine stops.